Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So today I am going to a benefit event in Nottingham. I'm going with Carrie. I invited her along because they're actually holding a blogging masterclass, which I thought was really fun, and it's going to obviously help me and Carrie a lot because we're both bloggers as well as do YouTube. Like, Carrie's just started her YouTube channel. I'll leave all of her links down below if you want to go check her out as well. But yeah, this morning I've been getting ready for the event. The woman hosting the masterclass is called Laura Jane Williams, and I'm so excited to meet her. She's an Amazon award-winning author, journalist and copywriter, so I'm literally super excited to meet her, ask her some questions. I'm going to be thinking of some on the train there. Nottingham's not actually too far from Lincoln, it's about 15 minutes on the train, and yeah, I'm just about to go meet Carrie. On my eyes I have, I think it's called Maiden, is the glittery shade from the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. And then in the crease I've just used some shades from the Sophia and Cinzia Makeup Revolution palette. Lipstick is Kat Von D Ludwig. Earrings Primark. I'll get Carrie to do an outfit of the day actually when I meet up with her. But yeah, I'm super excited and I can't wait to get there. I love benefit events, they're so lovely. Like, all of the girls there are amazing. It's so easy to talk to everyone, you feel so comfortable. And yeah, let's go before we're late. So I have met up with Carrie. We're at Nottingham train station. I didn't really film before we got on the train, I don't really know why. I think it's because you were vlogging and it just felt like it was
as well.
Yeah. But yeah, we've just arrived in Nottingham. I think we're going to do some like outfits, some outfit shots maybe for Instagram and stuff, because we're here a little bit earlier than the event starts and it's not too far anyway, so I'm going to try and find a nice spot to take some photos. Yeah. We've just come to this area, we don't really know where we are. And we just thought it would
but this looks cute here.
Yeah, we just thought it would look cute for an outfit of the day. So, bag Zara that I literally have in all of my Instagram photos, and it's getting a bit stupid now.
I love that
then
one.
We'll go from the bottom actually.
Okay.
Shoes are Primark, £6 in the sale. Fuck off. What do you say these are? Because they're not like chinos, but they're not trousers.
They're like paper bag or whatever, isn't it? Like
waist,
yeah. Chino
like
style, isn't it? Like similar.
Where from? Bershka. And we've got Bando, which I kind of look really weird in because I have a big tummy at the minute, but this is from Misguided, and so is the jacket. It's a white denim jacket.
New
love too.
Necklaces.
Oh yeah, necklaces. Necklaces.
Pretty little thing.
Pretty little thing.
Earrings.
Earrings. Primark. Sunglasses. Topshop.
That's such a weird entry.
I actually bought the other day, and then I saw their haul and I was like, fuck, they're the same ones at Cinzia.
Are you seriously?
I was like, why?
You weren't like fuck, you were like fuck yeah, we're the same.
Why am I becoming them? Oh, but a shit version obviously, like I'm not saying that I am them. Do you want to do one for my vlog?
Yeah. Let me take this shit scarf off.
And I'll,
just for one guys.
Yeah.
So look how nice the background is on the camera. Okay, we go hat, Primark, £5.
Yeah.
Earrings, same as you, Primark.
Yeah, we literally have the same earrings on.
H&M, top H&M jumper thing.
Love it.
Jeans, Topshop, boots, Matalan.
Oh, hello. I need some black. I need some black boots.
Hello. Bag, fat face.
Love it.
Watch.
Cute.
This actually doesn't actually work at the minute. It's just for fashion,
an
guys.
accessory. Yeah. Okay. Well, we're gonna have a walk along here. Hopefully, find somewhere to take some photos.
Take some pics.
And then we'll head towards the venue. So cute.
It's
shit.
So fucking cute. I love it, man.
So me and Carrie have had a bit of a wander because we had some time to kill. We've just found the Keels that we're going to be meeting Sophia and Cinzia at. Woo. So exciting. Yay. It looks really nice inside, doesn't it? That's like, I just love all the...
Like your sort of thing, isn't it? The skeleton situation, you know.
Yeah. Like, oh, and I like all of the, what do you say, like the neon signs. I'm well excited.
As well, that picture.
Yeah, yeah. Apparently, we watched their recent vlog, or one of their recent vlogs, and they said that out here is going to be like food and stuff. So that's
like
exciting. Yeah. I can't wait. It's so soon. Me and Carrie have just arrived at the venue, and how pretty is it? How pretty is the venue? It's incredible. Like, yeah, look. Let's take a photo like it as well. It's so so gorgeous. Like there's all of this like blossom at the top. All of the food looks amazing. I'm really excited. The masterclass is in an hour, so I'll film some of that a bit later. But for now, please enjoy the aesthetics that are just about to come in this vid. I'm just gonna have so many like clips of me like filming. Say that to my vlog as well.
Just ordered some gin cocktail.
Thank you. Okay, these are our, what are they called? Hoola Coolas. They're gin cocktails, they look amazing. Right, I'm going to do your reaction now. How good is that? That's so cute. Right, so over here, me and Carrie have put our stuff down. I think we're going to sit here for the masterclass. So got my little gin cocktail, it's really nice, and a cute little bag of stuff. And then we've all got our own benefit notepad so we can take notes from Laura during the masterclass, which is so exciting. There's little pens here. Here's the little board that kind of like explains what we're doing. And yeah, how exciting. Yeah, there's also a brow bar over here that Claire's doing some brows over there. Then there's all of this amazing food. So, wow. Little fruit salad pots. There's mini brownies at the end. There's mini brownies at the end. I hope people can hear me, my excitement. I'm just obsessed with the blossom. How incredible. Wow. Chips from the brunch stand, yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Yeah, they are the tastiest. They're like so salty and just They said they were triple cooked. That's I'm obsessed with these. I can't stop looking at them. I'm like, oh. We've just finished the vlogging masterclass. How did you find it?
So good. Like really good. Like better than I expected. What
was I going to say? I've said all of my thoughts in Carrie's vlog, so maybe you should go watch Carrie's actually. Because I think she just spoke about all the different aspects of what Laura was speaking about.
And just the importance.
Yeah, we have these adorable little benefit books that we were working in. It was like a little workshop, wasn't it? So we like wrote during the session and we learned about all the important things of blogging and just writing in general. And I think we'll probably talk about it a little bit later afterwards of the things that we've learned and stuff, because I feel like that'll be nice to like inform us.
In a romantic later.
Yeah.
In the blossom.
So we've left the event and we've just come into Zara. Me and Carrie are having a little wander around the shops, I think, for the next couple, well until they shut pretty much.
I've seen the nicest bag.
Oh, I love that. I just don't think I could pull it off.
Oh, they've got
This is the one that I have, in a different colour. Look, snapsy. Me and Carrie just had a bite to eat. Just had a garlic pizza bread. Carrie had a margarita pizza.
From Spoons, absolutely fucking worth.
It was actually amazing.
It was like I got £5.50.
£5.
A margarita.
Amazing. Great if you're a student. It does actually. Just heading towards the Alchemist. Yeah. The opposite Spoons is like the Alchemist. Didn't realise Nottingham had one, to be honest. Did you?
I've never been to one, so I don't.
I only thought London and Birmingham. And Manchester has one, so yeah, we're going to the Alchemist. We thought might as well treat ourselves to a few drinks. I'm really excited though, because the last time I went was quite a while ago, and it's amazing. And it's not too bad for cocktail prices. I don't think anyway.
Cocktail looks nice.
They look. The building. Yeah, the building looks really cute as well. Right, so me and Carrie are finally back at Lincoln. Look how pretty the bracelet looks. Oh my god, it looks amazing. The bracelet just looked amazing, so I thought I'd not end the vlog here because I'm going to show you what's in the goodie bag as soon as I get home, but me and Carrie are parting ways now because Carrie lives in the same accommodation as Megan. So yeah.
I'm closer.
Yeah, make sure to go check out Carrie's vlog. There'll be similar clips, but
yeah, I mean,
if you want to see
bits and bobs.
Yeah, if you really enjoyed today's vlog, you might see
a little bit extra.
Yeah, see a little bit extra. And you can watch it basically twice over at Carrie's. Yeah. So if you really enjoyed it, then you're in for a right treat.
A right treat.
A right treat.
Right. Oh, it's a right treat. I might have to end the vlog on mine as well, so it might
that's fine.
Need to watch it. Okay. Oh, look at the background.
Look, oh,
that's stunning.
I'll show you the goodie bag basically when I get back because there's no point in doing it here. We're going to do it on the train, but it's kind of a bit weird.
It's busy and then...
Yeah.
In case he like found on it.
Suddenly found us. Right, so I am finally back home. Sorry I look a bit weird, I've just taken my eyelashes off. I was waiting for that moment and I needed to take it off as soon as I came in. But I'm back home from the event. Oh, before I get on with the unboxing, I thought I would just mention that this lovely girl earlier messaged me on Snapchat. I'll put her little screenshot of what she sent back here, but she sent me the loveliest message about my videos inspiring her, and it was just such a lovely message to read. I was in The Alchemist and I read it and I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. So me and Carrie sent a photo back and she sent this back and it was so cute, and I appreciate it so much when people message me at the time of their day to message me on social media, because it just is insane that people want to talk to me, and I always will reply and chat back to you guys because I want to help you out as much as I can and talk to you and engage. Thank you very much if you have messaged me before, and don't hesitate to in the future. Thought I would do a little goodie bag unboxing just to show you guys what I got at the benefit event. I thought it might be interesting to some people, and they did actually give us a cute Friends with Benefit pink notebook because we did a blogging masterclass and we used this for writing in today. Like you might have seen, I think I did a bit of a time lapse earlier, but like we wrote quite a bit, learning some things from Laura. She was absolutely insane. I learnt so much from her, like her perspective on the whole blogging industry, and because she's like a journalist, award-winning writer and everything, it was just lovely to hear such amazing like tips and guidance from someone who was very knowledgeable in the area. Really loved that. And then on our tables we got these lovely little bags, and I thought I'd just share with you the little products that we have inside. So the first thing I have in here is a Professional. You will have probably heard of this if you are a Benefit cosmetics lover, but I love this stuff. I haven't had it in absolutely ages, so I'm really excited to have this finally back in my life. This is fab at minimising pores, as the name suggests. I love this, and it feels so smooth on your skin when you apply it. Oh, this is so exciting. They've given us a angled brow brush and spoolie, so a double-sided brow brush. And me and Carrie felt this on the way back in the train, and the bristles are like so dense, and you can just tell this is going to be amazing for applying brow product. So yeah, thank you very much for this Benefit. Oh my god, the Gimme Brow is back. I'm so excited. Gimme Brow Plus. Oh my god, I need that back in my life. But we got two brow products. So we've got the brow conditioning primer, which I've tried before and absolutely love. This is it in the packaging. And then also the Highbrow Glow Pencil, which is fab for carving out the brows and giving that like sort of base shine underneath the brow. I usually pop this on, and then I usually pop on another highlighter over the top to make it like proper glow. And then finally, probably the most exciting item in the bag is definitely this Gold Rush blush. This is Benefit's new box blush. You might have seen on their Instagram, they were doing like a lot of their box blushes and box powders on their Instagram this week. But inside is this, the description is warm golden nectar blush. And please say you can see this, but oh my god, it is like basically a rose gold blush. I think this is going to look gorgeous on the cheeks, like as a sort of highlight, I guess. It's like more of a pinky highlight for me. Amazing, like all the golden flecks, and it reminds me of a more intense like Rocketeur with more gold and peachy tones. Absolutely love that. So thank you very much to that Benefit. And yeah, that was what I got in my little goodie bag today. Thank you again to Benefit for inviting me and allowing me to bring Carrie as well. It was so fun. I had an amazing time like taking loads of photographs in Nottingham and seeing Nottingham. I've never been to Nottingham before, but I'm actually going again at the end of this month for a event with Kiehl's and to meet Sophia and Cinzia, which is exciting because they're from Nottingham. So yeah, I will be going again, and me and Hattie and Megan are planning on also going soon, because we think it would be really nice for like girls' day out, like shopping and having a few drinks and food out. But yeah, and it's not far away. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this vlog. Make sure to smash thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you tomorrow for a brand new vlog. Bye.